A woman's breasts can swell up to 25% when she is turned on.
Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 3 to 5 days. An average healthy man can ejaculate enough sperm in 2 weeks to impregnate every woman in the world. Sex increases your immunity to pain. Orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. Peeing after having sex prevents you from catching urinary tract infections.
Sex is one of the best stress busters. It lowers your blood pressure and calms you down. Now that's another reason to have sex. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look 4 to 7 years younger. If you're sexually attracted to someone, it is much more difficult to lie to them. A woman's sexual drive reaches its peak just before her period. On an average, you burn 100 calories in a single sex session. At the time your orgasm, an average person's heart beats at the rate of 140 beats per minute. About 2 tablespoons of blood is required to get a penis erect. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during an intercourse. Men reach their sexual peak at 17 years of age.